The scene object converts the data to the matching type of the variable in your program. In this example, height is defined as an integer. When you ask for how tall is the room, in the scene statement, the height would be get in the value that you key in as an integer. A prompt is basically a message that you would give to the user to say what the data is supposed to be that they are entering. It's an optional statement that you put in. In this case, how tall is the room is the prompt, followed immediately by a scene statement that reads in the height. More than one variable can be read into the values in the program. It's important to note that order of these matters. First value entered goes to the first variable, and second one goes to the second one, and so forth and so on. Here's an example of the same program that calculates the area. In this example, we would ask the user to enter the length and the width at the same statement, separated by a space or a white space. On line 15, the cin insertion symbol, length insertion symbol, width will bring in those two values and put them in your integer length and integer width. Line 16 will calculate them, and the output would be done in line 17. If you notice at the bottom of the screen, 10 and 20 is separated by a blank followed by an enter. You can read a string of characters into your program. Must first declare the array of characters in the form of a string. You can say my name of 21 bytes of type character is a series of memory locations with the addresses followed one after the other that will accept whatever is keyed in from the keyboard into those group of bytes. The last character of the string will be a null character. Here is an example of the cin reading that name with a length of 21, the last character being a null character, into my name. Your name have to be 20 because the last character, the 21st character, is the terminator. If the name is more than 20 characters, it would truncate at the 20th character. Here is a program 3-4 in your book, an example of reading a string into your variable called name. Again, line 8 will define the name to be of 21 characters, and in line 11 you are getting the input name to be placed into that name array of bytes. End of this section.